Patek Philippe 5328G watch. Main features are movement. The caliber 31505G PSIRM CIJ utilizes twin series coupled barrels to provide a minimum of 192 hours, 8 days of autonomy. It features a Pulsamax escapement and Spiromax balance spring made of Silenvar, silicon, for high efficiency. Case size 41 mm diameter and 10.52 mm thick, crafted from 18K white gold. The case band is entirely decorated with a signature Clous de Paris, hobnail, guyoc pattern. Dial textured navy blue with a black gradient rim, FUM effect. It features white gold applied Arabic numerals and syringe-shaped hands, both with a white luminescent coating. Instantaneous day in an aperture at 6 o'clock. Instantaneous date by hand at 6 o'clock. Power reserve indicator at 12 o'clock. Small seconds integrated into the 6 o'clock subdial. Strap supplied with 2 interchangeable straps, a navy blue calfskin strap with a textile pattern and a grain top calfskin strap. It uses a new patented white gold triple blade fold-over clasp. 9th reserve day. The power reserve scale at 12 o'clock includes a red zone for a 9-day day, giving you a 24-hour warning to wind the watch. Instantaneous jump. Both the day, aperture, and date, pointer, jump simultaneously and precisely at midnight. Advanced materials equipped with a Silenvar Pulsamax escapement and a Spiromax balance spring to optimize energy management and accuracy. Vertical alignment. The power reserve indicator at 12 o'clock and the calendar subdial at 6 o'clock are vertically aligned for balanced readability. Legibility, applied white gold Arabic numerals, and syringe-style hands are filled with white luminescent coating for low light visibility. Watch price in United States, $70,700.